Second Marlo's baking soda. Guys, Santa's not here. He's watching on our hat. We're making the strawberry pie. First, we cut up strawberries. It's hard. I can't do it. Get all of them. Send us back. Mama finished cooking the strawberries and sugar. Everything is cold. Come on, Santa, let's do this. I'm gonna say happy Mother Day. No. We good bakers. We ready to eat. We're ready to eat and put whipped cream on it. It's good. I'm gonna get the pie crust. Thank you for watching our videos. I hope you find more of our videos that are Seneca Marlo's baking show. Bye! Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell.